Assalamualaikum mga kapinay. For today's videos ay gagawa tayo ng chicken biryani. My own recipe, simple and easy to cook for beginners. Always na perfect ko na siya guys dahil pangalawa ko na to siyang luto at ito yung mga ingredients niya guys. May yogurt, salt, mixed ingredients, baharat, biryani mix, green beans, coriander leaves, onion, garlic, and tomato, and 1 kilo of chickens. And heat oil, 5 to 6 tablespoons, sliced onion, 1 large. Fry 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. Fry till light brown. And add ginger and garlic. Fry 2 minutes on low heat. Ganyan lang siya guys. And add chicken, 1 kilo of chicken. Fry to 3 minutes on high heat. Oh, ganyan lang siya guys. I-fry lang siya ng 2 minutes of high heat. Then, add baharat powder 2 scoop. Mix well guys. Nilagyan ko na siya ng water. Kunting water lang guys. Hindi ko na videohan. Tapos, optional lang to siya guys. Biryani mix. Pangdagdag lasa. Oh, mix well guys. Then slice tomato for medium. Fry 4 minutes on low heat. Sinapchap ko siya ng maliit ang tomato guys. Tapos add cup yogurt. 1 cup of yogurt. Give mix. Mix well lang siya guys. O ganyan na siya guys. Then add green beans. Shake, shake, shake. Ganyan lang ka-easy ang biryani chicken. My own recipe. And add chopped coriander leaves. Hindi ko na yan siya kinap-chop guys. Ganyan lang siya. Kasi basta lang char. And mix well. Then cover and cook 20 minutes on low heat. Then magluto na naman tayo ng biryani rice. Basmati rice pala. Put dry lemon, pepper leaves, and 4 cloves, 2 cinnamon, 4 cardamom, salt, and nilagyan ko siya ng water. Oil. Kunting oil lang siya guys para hindi magdikit-dikit yung ating basmati rice. O, tinignan ko muna yung ating niluto na chicken guys. I-shake well ko lang siya guys para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Then cook till almost done. 90% yung pagkaluto ng rice natin guys ha. Huwag niyong lutuin ng 100% talaga kasi lulutuin pa yan. And then i-drain mo na yung rice Ganyan siya pag-drain. Kukunin lang yung water, guys. Kailangan 90% talaga yung luto ng rice, guys, ha. Then, arrange half the rice in a flat pan. I-arrange natin siya, guys. Kailangan wala siyang water. Pagkatapos nating i-drain, i-arrange na natin siya. Ganyan siya, guys. Tapos, ilagay na natin ang ating chicken na naluto na sa ibabaw. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Then, tapos na siya, guys. Lagyan na naman natin siya ng rice sa ibabaw. Dapat yung chicken between talaga siya, guys, sa rice. Para bumuo talaga yung lasa niya. Ganyan lang siya ka-easy, guys. And cover, cook 15 to 25 minutes yung rice. At ito na siya, guys. Luto na siya and ready to serve. Thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget, follow my page for more videos, and like and share. And don't forget to comment. Love you, Mumwa. Chup chup.